Have we ever thought, what do I really like? What do I want to do? What do I want to give to my society or as an individual? So, this is one question I would like everyone to ask yourself. What I am really good at as an individual, because we hardly think about ourselves but always contemplating on what others are gonna think about us. And when it comes to this is particular thought process, we are always there trying to impress others. But to all the girls and boys out here, I would like to tell you all, what do you like? Have you ever thought about it? We are always worried how to impress our friends, how to impress our girlfriend or boyfriend, more than trying to impress ourselves. Because we should never forget that we are our own competitions. We should be competitive within ourselves because it's one life that we get, it's one moment that we live. So we always think of different ways, but sometimes putting ourselves on an edge. When someone's pushing you, that's when you realize your potential. In the beginning, I said, we don't believe in yourself. Come on, if you don't believe in yourself, how is everyone around you going to believe in you? Right? So start believing in your potential. If you want to do something, afford it. If you think you are good at singing, if you are good at dancing, start taking classes, sharpen the talents that you have, and polish the things that you weaken. Because no one is perfect. It's practice that makes a person a better human and a better version of who you were yesterday. So, this journey of grade 11 and 12, you are nurtured by your teacher. You are taken care of, every small things is looked at. So, as soon as you move out of the college, out of these boundaries, what's gonna happen? You are gonna face the real world. So, when a teacher asks you a question in your school, in your class, make sure that you answer. Give a wrong answer. It's always good to make mistakes. Make as many mistakes you are inside. Because once you move outside of this place comfort zone, you'll be challenged by the world. So do whatever you want to do because opportunity just knocks once. So grab that opportunity, go for it. Like don't wait for tomorrow or don't wait for the time when you will be perfect because this is the moment we are gonna live and this is going to be remarkable one for all of you. So take chances, make the most out of the opportunities that you are given. The world has become a much easier place, but yet, if we change our mindset, if we change the way we think and take everything as it comes, then it's gonna be a very easy and a beautiful journey for you all because it's all the mind that makes it difficult. So don't underestimate the being that you are because everybody in this world is here with a mission, with a vision.